It's a real quick video today, but first let me open up this Diet Coke. Yeah. Oh, so good. A part of being hireable as a designer now is learning how to vibe code. And after the success of the last video, I'll put a link in the description where we actually vibe coded some initial design system components. I have a ton more vibe code related content for designers in the pipeline. Okay. And as part of that content, I don't want to be setting up Figma MCP at the start of every video. So this video is the precursor to all those other videos in the pipeline. We're going to go through how we can connect Figma to vibe coding tools like Cursor and Windsurf via MCP. Now, premium content helps me keep doing this for free on YouTube, and for Academy members on our website, link down below. We just launched a couple vibe coding type courses, including how to vibe code Chrome plugins for your portfolio, and a lot more AI content is on the way. Thanks for your support. Okay, so we're starting it with Cursor as the tool that we're going to look at to start. Okay, now if you're not too sure what Cursor is just a vibe coding tool for developers that allows them to write code with AI much easier. Okay, now it's a little bit more on the technical side, but I've been working with designers who've really found value lately in using Cursor to speed up their workflow, bug testing designs, they're getting feedback, things like that. And we're going to look at all those things in future videos, okay? So go to cursor.com, download the application, and let's keep moving forward. Okay, then if you go to Figma MCP catalog, it's going to show all the different applications that you can connect to Figma with via MCP. Okay, so whether it's VS Code, Cursor that we're going to look at, Claude, Windsurf, Replit, so on and so forth. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to hit Cursor. So add MCP to Cursor, and I know you can't see it here because I'm not sharing my full application, but essentially a Chrome alert opened up asking if you want to open Cursor. So go ahead and hit open Cursor. Okay, so when you hit open Cursor, it gives you this page right here. Now, one thing I'd like to call out is you are going to need to sign up and go through that basic registration process for Cursor, but just it's easy, basic two-factor authentication, that kind of thing. Okay, so it's going to ask if you want to install the MCP server, and this data here is already going to be preloaded from Figma. Makes life easy. You're going to hit install. And when you hit install, you're going to see that it needs authentication because currently we just installed the MCP server into Cursor, but now we need to connect it with our Figma account. Now, best practice here is what it's going to do when you hit connect. It's going to open it in the web. Now, if you're like me and you work with a ton of different clients, my suggestion to you, just log out of all the other clients and only be logged into on Figma Web, the Figma account that you want to connect MCP to. So we're going to go ahead, hit connect, and let's keep rocking and rolling. So then you're going to get served this page when you hit open Figma or connect or whatever it was that we just looked at on Cursor. Okay, where it's basically asking you if you're okay to authenticate Cursor with Figma. So what you're going to do, you're going to hit agree and allow access. Now, one thing I'd like to call out is if you are still logged in to other Figma accounts on the web, so besides the one that you want to connect with MCP, you can actually go ahead, scroll down here and change that account. I'm not going to do that here because then it actually exposes like my personal email address, which I really do not want to do. Okay, so you can swap out Figma accounts just by scrolling down and choosing a different Figma account, but I'm not going to show that here. Okay, so we're going to hit agree and allow access. And again, it's going to open up another modal inside of Chrome that I know you can't see just because my screen share is not sharing everything. You're again going to hit open Cursor. Now let's go back to Cursor. So you're now going to see here that when you flip back to Cursor, that Figma is now connected via MCP. Again, you're going to see this toggle here. You're going to see this little green badge. So we know that Figma is actually connected now. Now, this should really be instant, but there have been cases when I'm working with designers to get them set up with MCP where it's not instant, where it says loading. And what a lot of designers do, they'll wait 30 minutes. You don't need to wait 30 minutes. It should be an instant process. If that happens to you, where it just says loading, just simply delete the MCP server, go through the process again of installing and connecting, and it should be instant first time. Okay, so then go back, like close out that window within Cursor, and you're going to land on just like the basic page like this. You're going to hit open project. Now, I'm not going to hit open project with everyone here because when I do that, it's going to show you my mess of folders that I have in my desktop and my documents. I don't want to do that. Okay, so go ahead, open a project, and then create a new folder wherever you would like this Cursor instance actually housed. So as you can see here, I just created a blank folder just called setting up Figma MCP. You can call it UI collected tutorial. It doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead, open this. And now we are inside of our Cursor instance inside of that folder. Okay, so we've successfully set up a project. We have connected Figma MCP. Now we're ready to start, providing specific Figma links and asking questions based on our designs. Now, part of being hireable as a designer these days is not just understanding one AI tool, but understanding the breadth of all of them. Okay. Whether it's Lovable, Windsurf, Replit, Cursor, because they're all a little bit different. And the realm of AI tools is moving so rapidly quick where some of these tools cannot be around in 6 months. Okay. So we're also going to look at Windsurf. Now, Windsurf, it's not as big as Cursor, as popular as Cursor, but they did just recently get acquired by Cognition, who's raised a ton of money. So again, for the purposes of having a breadth of understanding into multiple tools, we're also going to look at Windsurf. So within Windsurf, just when you land on the initial page, I didn't want to land on the initial page because it was showing some of my like personal files that I'd played around with Windsurf in the past before. Anyways, so hit settings here. You're just going to hit Windsurf settings. You're land on a page like this, okay? Then as you scroll down here, you're going to see like MCP servers, and then simply open the MCP marketplace. And what I like about this, it showcases everything that you can do already. So a little bit different than Cursor, where it just shows you the marketplace of all the different tools that you connect via MCP. Okay. So again, if you're a little bit more technical, there's other more technical tools on here like MongoDB. Stripe is great once we get into payment integrations and stuff like that. But anyways, we're going to hit Figma and then simply choose to install the Figma MCP. It's been very similar to what we saw with Cursor, is it opens up a page inside of Figma like this, Figma on the web. Okay. So again, make sure you're connected to the right Figma account that you want to install Connect MCP with, and not to a client's account or anything like that, because I know they do sometimes get notified of that. Okay. So you're going to go ahead, hit agree and allow access. And I can see authorization is successful. And now we can close this window and return to Windsurf. So now we can see that Figma's connected to Windsurf. Now it's going to show you all the tools here. We're going to get to all these different tools in a future video and how we can make the most of this. But now you've successfully connected Windsurf to your Figma account. Listen, I know this is a quick video, but just for all the other videos in the pipeline, I don't want to be setting up MCP at the start of every video. So for those videos, I'm going to be redirecting everyone to these videos if you have not yet set up your Figma MCP. Now, really appreciate you being here. If you want to watch our last video, click right there. And if you want to build an entire design system, click right there.